Good morning to you, dear students. How are you all? Keeping fine? Very nice. Hope you are enjoying the classes, the videos. At the end of the videos, I have been giving homework. Are you doing the homework? Don't forget, because if you keep it pending, afterwards you'll find it difficult. Each day you complete writing it immediately after watching the video. That will be easy for you to complete. Shall we begin today's class? Just before beginning, we shall have a recapture of what we have done yesterday. On the request of Bassanio, Portia expresses her wish, and she gives herself completely to Bassanio, saying, "Whatever I am is yours, whatever I have is also yours." And at the end we see Bassanio was given a ring by Portia, and Portia tells him, "This is a sign of my love to you. You shall not part with it, lose it, or give it to anybody. If you do so, it would mean the end of our love." Then Bassanio responds saying, "Portia, I am speechless. Now I have so much of emotions within me, I am not able to express it, but I can assure you that I shall always safeguard this ring. If ever I am found without this ring, it would mean that Bassanio is dead." That's where we stopped. Now we shall see what is the rest of it. Immediately after Bassanio spoke these words, Nerissa makes an intervention. Do you remember at the beginning of the scene we have seen that there are 4 people present? Who are they? Of course, Portia and Nerissa. Then comes Bassanio and Gratiano. Now the conversation was between Bassanio and Portia, and Nerissa and Gratiano, they were watching. Now Nerissa intervenes and she makes her comment saying, "I am overjoyed. I would like to congratulate both of you, and I want you to enjoy the joy born out of this great selection." Next comes Gratiano, and Gratiano surprises them. How? First he wishes them all the best. He wishes them joy, and he says, "You will not wish to have more than I wish. That is, I wish you have tremendous joy." Then he surprises them by saying, "When you mean to solemnize the bargain of your faith, when you mean to solemnize the bargain of your faith, when you means Bassanio and Portia, when you mean to, means intent. When you, that is Bassanio and Portia, mean to, intend to solemnize, celebrate the bargain of your faith, that is contract of love. Contract of love, that is bond of marriage. That's what it means. When you mean to solemnize the bargain of your faith, that is, when you, Bassanio and Portia, intend to celebrate the marriage bond. That is, when you are planning to get married, I too may get married. All are surprised. How is that? Suddenly he says, Graciano says, when you get married, I too may get married. So Bassanio says, okay, I have no problem. He can get married, provided so thou canst get a wife. So Bassanio says, it's okay. So thou canst get a wife, provided. Okay, so means provided that you can't get, you get. Provided you get a wife. Okay, I have no difficulty in your getting married when we get married, provided that you get a wife. And Graciano says, in fact, I should be thankful to you. It's because of you I have found someone to be my wife. And again, Bassanio is surprised. How is that? I helped you to get a girl for marriage. So now he will reveal saying that my eyes can look as fast as your eyes can. My eyes can look as swift as yours. He uses the word swift. Swift. Graciano says, my eyes are as swift as yours, can look as swift as yours. Swift means fast. My eyes can see as fast as yours. That is, you are so quick in getting someone for marriage. I am also very quick in getting someone for marriage. And he says, you saw the mistress and I behold the maid. Behold. Behold. Beheld. What's the meaning of behold? To see. Beheld means saw. You have seen the mistress. Who is the mistress? Portia. You saw the mistress. I beheld the maid. Who is the maid? Maid of Portia? That is Nerissa. So you saw the mistress, I saw the maid. You are so quick in getting married, I am also so quick in getting married. Then he says, your fortune stood upon the casket. Your fortune stood upon the casket. That is, the casket decided your luck. And the same casket decided my love too. How it was done, it will be explained a little later. Then Graciano goes on saying that I was busy wooing. Wooing. W-O-O-I-N-G. Wooing. What's the meaning of wooing? You try different tricks to get a woman to love you and marry you. That is wooing. A man is trying to woo a girl means he is trying to entice her and try different techniques to make her to love him and at the end get married. So he says, I have been busy wooing Nerissa. And he says, I have been sweating out until I sweat. He uses the phrase, until I sweat. Until I sweat. Until I sweat. What's the meaning of until I sweat? Till I wasted all my energy. That is, I worked hard. I have been wooing her by working hard, spending all my energy in order to get her. And then he says, swearing till my mouth roof was dry. Swearing till my mouth roof was dry. Swearing till my mouth roof was dry. What does Graciano means to say? I went on swearing. Swearing means oath, promises. I kept on making promises. I kept on making oaths. How much? So much that my mouth roof was dry. Roof means top. Mouth roof means top of the mouth. The top of the mouth is, the top of the mouth is, okay. So, my mouth roof went dry. That means I kept on swearing, pronouncing so many promises, oaths. I will marry, please marry me. I will love you. I will take care of you. I will be faithful to you. Like that. I kept on saying, my mouth went dry. At last I managed to get here. But your fortune stood up on the casket. If you had selected the wrong casket, you would not have got Portia. Similarly, if you had made the wrong choice, I would not get Nerissa, because Nerissa had told me, if only Bassanio makes the right choice and Bassanio marries Portia, I will agree to marry you. Therefore, my fortune stood upon the casket just as your fortune stood on the casket. While they were talking, suddenly there are some guests arriving, and Graciano says, here we have some people coming in. Who are they? There are three people, Salerio, Lorenzo and Jessica. He names first Lorenzo, then he says, along with Lorenzo there is the infidel. Who is an infidel? Infidel. Who is an infidel? Infidel is one who does not have a proper religion, or one who belongs to a minority religion. Here of course is Jessica, because she was a Jew, she ran away with a Christian, so now she has become the infidel. So when the announcement was made about their coming, Bassanio says, I am the new master of this house. If I have the power to welcome them. Power. Here power has a different meaning. Power means right. Bassanio says, I being the new master, if I have the right to welcome these guests of mine, I welcome them wholeheartedly, with your permission of Portia. Then Portia says, there is no objection to it, they are most welcome. I am also so glad to have them. Now those who have come, the guest talked to him. Salerio talks to Bassanio saying that we have come from Antonio. Then Lorenzo says, I did not intend to come. I did not want to come now. But just because Salerio has persuaded me to come, I have come. Then Salerio says, yes, there is a reason for his coming. And Antonio has inquired about your health, and he has given a letter to be delivered to you. So Bassanio is given the letter by Salerio, and then Bassanio would say that, ere I obey his letter, ere I obey his letter. Ere I obey his letter. That is, ere means before. Open means open. Before I open his letter, I want to know how he is. Then Salerio says he's fine, though he is upset. Physically he is fine, but mentally he is disturbed. But if you open the letter, you will find what state of mind he is in. What is the condition of his, you will come to know from the letter when you open. Bassanio is having the letter, he is going to read it. Meanwhile, there is a conversation between Graciano and Salerio. Graciano asks Salerio, how is Antonio, the great merchant of Venice? How is he? Is he doing well? Is he happy? Then Graciano continues to say that we are the Jasons. We are the Jasons. He will be happy about our success. Antonio will be glad about our success. Graciano says to Salerio, Antonio will be glad about our success. Glad means happy. About our success. Our here it means Bassanio's and Graciano's. Bassanio's and Graciano's success. What is the success here? It is a romantic success. Romantic success means love success, success of their love. So, Antonio will be glad about our success of mine, Bassanio and mine. That is our love story. Bassanio has one, Portia, I have one, Nerissa. Antonio will be glad to hear this. It's very important. We are the Jasons. So this word is important. It is an allusion to a Greek mythological story. What is the meaning of allusion? Allusion is indirect reference or passing reference. Indirect or passing reference from Greek mythological story about Jason and Golden Fleece. You have done it earlier. Do you remember? Yes? Yeah, somebody is trying to say. Yes, in the beginning. The beginning of the drama, Act 1, Scene 1, wherein Bassanio speaks to Antonio about his proposal to try his luck in winning Portia. In that context, page number 29, Bassanio speaks about in Belmont is a lady richly loved. That starting from there. Later he says, her name is Portia, nothing undervalued to Cato's daughter and all that. Then Jason obtained it with the help of Medea. This is what is important for us. Golden Fleece is the fur of the lamb, the fur of the ram. It was golden, made of gold. Whoever gets the fur of the golden ram, the ram and the golden fur they will be made the king. That was the promise. Many tried to get the golden fleece from the ram, but they could not succeed. At the end, Jason goes trying, and he gets somebody to help him out. That was Medea. Medea helped him to get the golden fleece. Later, Jason marries Medea, and he comes back to the kingdom and gets the kingdom. He becomes the king. So now, Graciano says, we are the Jasons. What figure of speech it is? We are the Jasons. We are like Jasons? No. We are the Jasons. Therefore, it is metaphor. We are the Jasons. So we are the Jasons in the sense many suitors tried their luck to win Portia, but they could not. But Bassanio, like Jason, won Portia. Medea helped Jason to win the golden fleece. Here Portia helped Bassanio to win her. And Jason had a crew. C-R-E-W, crew. People who helped him. Similarly, Bassanio has a crew with him, and Graciano is part of that. So he calls them, we are the modern Jasons. We means Bassanio and Graciano are the modern Jasons because we have won our lovers. Salerius says, it's good that you have one Portia. Bassanio has one Portia, and he have got somebody as wife. Is fine. But then he adds something very important. You had won the fleece. I wish that you had won the fleece that Bassanio lost, that Antonio lost, that he hath lost. So Salerius says, I wish that you had won the fleece that he hath lost. I wish that you had won. You means Bassanio. And Graciano. Hard won means gained back. The fleece got a golden fleece here means gold. That is riches. That he means Antonio. Hath means has. Lost. What does it mean? What is Salerius trying to say is, I wish that Bassanio and you regained what Antonio has lost. Without saying directly, he is giving a clue that Antonio is in trouble. He has lost all his gold, all his riches. You are winning the golden fleece trying, provided that you gain back whatever Antonio has lost. Now Antonio doesn't have sufficient things to repay Shylock, but your new fortune helps in any way that would be very helpful. Before we conclude, please do the homework. Homework for the workbook, page number 167, question number 8. Thank you for listening.